So hi guys, haven't uploaded in a while because school and stuff, but I'm getting close to term holidays. Just got one VSTAR Universe pack. No, I did not get a booster box, but that's okay. And a Scarlet and Violet pack. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the Scarlet and Violet pack first because I think it'll be like a good way to start. Ugh. Oh, my hands are so sweaty. If I can't open a pack today, I'm just gonna get some scissors, honestly. Where did I put the scissors? Just give me a sec. Sorry about the wait. Couldn't find scissors. Alright. Let's open. Alright. Let's start. We've got a Watchor, Zangoose, Krogank, Beach Court, Sandaconda, KD, Grimer, Primeape, Annihilape, and Water Energy. Nothing good in that pack, but we did get this cool looking holo, which honestly, they changed the design. That's pretty good. Oh, and another holo. I'm just gonna put that on the side. Oh wait, there's another pack. There's another thing. Oh, Slowpoke. Told me I left another card. QR code. Anyone want it? Check it. I'm just gonna move that to the side. Alright, now we got this pack. Oh, hold on. Can't position my camera. You know what? I can't position my camera. Alright, Alright. Let's get this. Open up this. Come on. Alright. Let's open this pack up. I'm gonna open it from the bottom this time, because why not? I want to keep these wrappers because this is my first ever time opening up a VSTAR Universe. So just as a commemorative. Ooh, it's clean open. Honestly, they should be doing that with the VSTAR Universe packs. There'll be a guaranteed hit in this, so I'll be good. Come on, don't tell me I can actually not get this out. Oh my god. I swear. Let me just get my... A guaranteed hit in this, so I'm either gonna pull a VMAX or a V or a V-Star. Alright, let's see. Hisuian Growlithe, Hisuian Electrode, Zora, that would be pretty cool if I was Hisuian. No idea. Crimson Mylands, Pickaxe, Throttle. Oh, Hisuian Zora. That's a pretty cool card. I'm gonna put that here. Magnezone. Oh, Radiant Eternatus. That's sick. And an Electabuzz. So the hits we got were this Hisuian Zoroark and a Radiant Eternatus. I was not expecting that. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you, bye.